Guess what, folks? I think that we have got to be the best or one of the best roulette strategy channels on YouTube. All right? And just, I want to say thank you again. I'm over 3,000 subscribers. I just started about 6 months ago, not even that. And I'm over 3,000 subscribers. It's a little bit of subscribers, but I'm just happy just to get this far. Just trying to stay positive and keep a positive channel flowing. All right. Today we got another beautiful roulette strategy that I don't think I've ever seen anyone do before. All right, so we're going to get into this. This happens to be another low roller strategy where we're using $1 bills. All right, so I know you guys are going to like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to pretty much, it's a ladder system. All right, so before we get into the program here, let's check our stats. And I also want to tell you guys to please subscribe to the channel now if you guys are brand new. If this is your first time stopping in, please subscribe to the channel. That way you guys can save all these beautiful roulette strategies and take them to the casino and win money. All right, so if you want to go ahead and screen record, you can start screen recording and save everything to your device. That way you guys can make some money in the casino. I got hundreds of videos on my channel where I'm showcasing a lot of roulette strategies, different ones. So just go back and just try to save them, all right? And that's about it. Inside the pink box in the start of every video will be the bankroll. All right? I'm going to show you the stats again as we start. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to cover our zeros, okay? And we're going to add this thing like this. I'm going to add it up like this, okay? And then we're going to make another one like this. Okay, same way again. All right, and same way again. Okay, so we got a total of 20 numbers. Let's see what we can do. First one is 1. We got $7. Let's spin again. The next one is 10. We got another $7. Let's spin again. See if we can make $100 real quick. And we got 0 as a safety. No problem. Only lost $2. I'm still up. I'm going to go ahead and spin again. And we got 17. Okay, we lost $2. No problem. We spin again. And we got 24. So we lost. So now we're going to ladder up. I'm just going to flip on the first one, which is a ladder, and spin. And we got 14 for a $14 return. We're up $4. Let's go ahead here and spin again. And we got 12. Lost -4. We're even Steven again, but we're going to spin again. And we got 27. So we lost. So we just simply ladder up like this. And we spin. And we got 21 for -6. We spin again. Trying to hit that $100, folks. And we got 1 for $21 return. Okay, Let's spin again. We're down 25 bucks, but it's okay. And we got 5 for another $21 return. Okay, we're just down 4 bucks. Let's spin again. And we got 2 for a $75 return. And check that out, folks. We're up 71 bucks. Let's check our stats. Okay. All right, let's go back here and reset. It's going to go back down to where we started from, which we started with 20 bucks. Just write it on down. It's easier to go like this. Okay, now we spin. You think we can make 100 bucks? Let's see. And we got 15, so we lost. Let's go ahead here and ladder for the first one and spin. And we got 18. What's the 4 minus 4? Let's spin again. And we got 0. Still another safety. Minus 4. Let's go ahead here and respin again. And we got 9. Another safety. We're still up $39. Let's spin again. And we got 33. Minus 4. We're still up $35. Let's spin again. And we got 13 for $14 return. We're back up $49. Let's go ahead and spin again. And we got 12 for minus $4. Let's spin again. And we got 0. Okay. We are going to spin again. And we got 30. All right. We spin again. And we got 3. Let's spin again. We're still up $33. We're still holding pretty good. We got 8 for minus 4. Still up $30 just about. And we got 4 for a $14 return. We're at $43. I'm just trying to see if I can make $100 real quick. And we got 34 for another $14. We're at 57 bucks. Let's go ahead and spin again. And we got 22 for another $14. We're up 71 bucks. Let's spin again. And we got 12 for minus 4. We are still up 67 bucks. Let's go ahead and spin again. And we got 27. So we lost. So let's go ahead here and ladder again. Just like before. Like that. And we spin. And we got 28. So we lost that. This is why we got a $1,000 bankroll. Okay. And we just simply ladder again and spin. And we got another safety. All right, -8. Let's spin again. And we got 13 for a $28 return. Let's go ahead here and spin again. And we got 34 for another $28 return. We're back up above 50. We're $15 ahead. Trying to hit that $100 mark. And we got 24. So we lost. Let's go ahead here and we spin again. Ladder up. And here we go, folks. And we got 20 for a $125 return. And we're up 60 bucks. Let's go ahead here and spin again. And we got 26. So we lost. So we ladder again. Just like this. And we got 29. All right, -12. Let's spin again. And we got 3. So far, the most we made was 75 bucks over. Let's spin again. And we got 4 for a $42 return. Let's spin again. And we got 10 for another $42 return. We are up 20 bucks. Let's spin again. And we got 22 for another $42 return. We're up 62 bucks. Let's spin again. And we got 31 for another $42 return. And there it is, folks. There it is. We made 100 bucks off this system. Pretty cool. We only went into our bankroll a little over 100 bucks or something like that. So if you guys were using dimes, 10-cent pieces, you probably would have went into your bankroll. You know, if your bankroll was 100 bucks, you only would have went into your bankroll about 10 bucks, pretty much, using dimes. So you guys can get away with playing dimes or 50-cent pieces, playing a lower amount and still kill it. That's why this is another banging roulette low roller system coming from the Roulette Jackpot. I really thank you guys for watching all of my wonderful videos on my channel. And that's about it. I'm developing another strategy as we speak for tomorrow's video. So I got to do some more tests on it. And once that's done and everything's finalized, we'll be back up and running. So with that being said, I will catch you guys back up tomorrow for the Roulette Jackpot. Peace.